Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AYTU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where all the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely going to do some house cleaning here and get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels still pertain and are still relevant, but they're just not needed right now because from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and eventually this level right here, which had done a good job essentially all day long holding up at $1.65, was finally broken late day. So the price broke down below it right there, and you can see that's what actually opened up the movement to the downside. So point being, that level of support has been violated. Now if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, $1.65 will be that first key level of resistance to watch very closely. And then the other point is not really an update, but more so confirmation would be more of an accurate term. So the other point of confirmation would be, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Tuesday, but I talked about this green line right here at $1.35, and surprise, surprise, the power of charts. With the breakdown of that former area of support, price came right down here to that green line and then just started to go sideways. Now, does that mean that this is for sure guaranteed to be the bottom? No, no such thing as a guarantee in the bottom, but it's good to see that this level that you would want to see act as support did indeed act as support. So that is certainly going to be a level that a lot of people are going to be watching, wondering about going into Thursday, whether or not the price can stay up above that $1.35 mark. If it can't, then at that point, I mean, again, no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price then potentially drift its way down to right here around the dollar mark. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, especially if it's a high volume break to the downside of $1.35, I wouldn't be shocked at all to see the price, like I said, make a return visit down to that dollar mark. But we'll see what happens with it. Relatively disappointing day given how strong it started off on the day. But we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.